Two secret websites no one told you about. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you about these two websites that are very best and you should know that. So for that we'll simply go to our browser. Here you guys will simply search for toymaker.com. Toymaker, but you guys can simply search Toymaker. Once you search for that, here you guys will see the toymaker.com. So basically here you guys can create paper plane airplanes and you guys can get a lot of templates, and that website is best for parents. The second website was supercook.com. So I will simply search for supercook. Once I search for supercook, here you guys will see supercook.com. So basically that website is like, if you have some ingredients, even if you have two ingredients, you will simply give that two ingredients through that website, and after that that website will give you recipe of that.